I know the video just started, but make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks. This is INH Lola in the shade Dark Brown. I've owned it before previously in the shade Honey, and I've reviewed myself doing a tutorial with it in the past. This is what the clip looks like. This is the Emergency Revival Spray, which yes, I do like to use, and I did put it on this ponytail before putting it on. Now, when you're putting it on the top of your head, it's all about in the grip of when you're applying the clip to the top, and then the grip that you maintain as you wrap it around the top of your head. This is what's gonna make it feel secure, and it's gonna make it feel like it's stuck in place. The previous review that I did was back in 2021, and I received the ponytail back in 2020. I think I had worn it about a good 10-15 times before I actually put up that video. And I have to be honest, something positive happened with the company's ponytail texture. By the way, yes, that is my light brown golden hair in the back. Just ignore it. Okay, pushing on. My previous review said that they left a lot of wraparound ponytail, like the top half right here. I feel like there's an awkward length to it, and that still stands today. At least it doesn't look as raspy, and that has more to do with the way that the synthetic hair looks with this ponytail. I'm actually quite pleased with it though, and what you don't see me do off camera is pin it up to the top in the back of my head where it's hiding under the ponytail. But look at the texture, look at the flippiness. Before it looked very yucky, and now this is like, hello, hi, who is she? So I would recommend this ponytail to you guys, and I think it's great for the value that they're offering. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I upload more videos. If you like my content and you want to support me creating more of it, subscribe to my Patreon for $2 a month. And if you're not sick of me yet, I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, and I have a podcast, so go check me out. Thanks for watching.